Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope everybody is fine. So today I prepared Singaporean noodles, as you can see in this video, and here are some of the things I used. So in this video you can see green, red, yellow bell pepper, chicken, prawns, rice, tea, carrots, eggs, light soy sauce, sesame oil, premium oyster sauce, onions, pepper, olive oil. Okay, these are some of the things I use, so I will show you others as we proceed. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching my videos. So first of all, I had to start washing and cutting my vegetables. So here I have my red, yellow, green bell pepper, so I had to wash them very well and give them a fine julienne cut, a straight cut. So this is me cutting my red, yellow, green bell peppers. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're a first timer, thanks for watching my videos. Okay, so this is me trying to cut my red, yellow, and green bell peppers. So I am done cutting them. I gave them a fine julienne cut. So the next one is to proceed to cutting my carrots. So I have already washed the carrots, so the next step is for me to cut it. I also gave it a julienne cut, a straight cut. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube videos, and thanks for watching my videos. So I am done cutting my carrots, as you can see in this video. So the next one is to wash my onions and ginger and cut it also. So this is me washing my onions and ginger. So I gave it a minced cut. Okay, so as you can see in this video, this is me trying to cut my onions. Then after that, I also cut my ginger, as you can see in this video. Combination of both minced and diced cuts. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And thanks for watching my videos. I was supposed to use a grater for this ginger. It skipped my mind. So so I am done cutting it. So the next one is for me to, as you can see in this video, I gave it a minced diced cut, as you can see, combination of the two. So I am done cutting it. The next one is to wash and cut my pepper. So this is me trying to cut my red pepper. If you want yours to be too spicy, you can add more pepper. Okay, so I am done cutting my pepper, as you can see in this video. The next one is to wash my meat and cut it into smaller sizes. Wash my prawns, then marinate them and fry. So this is me trying to cut my chicken. You have to cut it into a smaller sizes, okay? So I am done cutting my chicken. As you can see in this video, I had to take the quantity that will be enough for me to prepare this Singaporean noodles. So the next one is to wash my prawns, as you can see in this video. Then after washing it, I had to set it aside. Then combine it inside my chicken and started marinating. So now I added my seasoning cube and salt. Yes, followed by coriander powder, as you can see in this video. Then the next one, I added oregano leaves, as you can see in this video. Then followed by pepper, ginger, and onions. then lemon, just a little. Then I added sesame oil, and now finally mix them together. After I was done mixing them together, I had to set it aside for a few minutes so that it can marinate. So while I set it aside, the next one I had to break my eggs. So I'll be using 4 eggs to prepare this meal. So the first step is to break the eggs and then whisk them together. So this is me whisking the eggs. So after I was done with that, I had to set my frying pan on fire so that I can now fry my meat. So I just added my olive oil, sorry. Then when it has heated up, I now added my chicken and prawns, as you can see. Some people do fry it separately, but me, I decided to fry everything together. After all, I made a chopper. Me and my family, they chop up. So this is me frying my chicken and prawns together until it turns golden brown, or at least a little bit golden brown. So as you can see, it is now golden brown. I had to bring it out from the frying pan so I can use the remaining oil to fry my eggs. So after I was done bringing it out, I had to use the remaining oil in the frying pan to fry my eggs, as you can see in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And thanks for watching my videos. So I had to turn it very well because what I need is scrambled eggs. I do not want omelets. I want it in pieces format. So I am done with the eggs. I had to bring it out from the frying pan. So here I have my rice stick, as you can see. So the next step is for me to soak it in hot water. I've already boiled water. So this is me pouring hot water inside the rice stick in a pot. You have to soak it for like 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, as you can see, it's still strong now because I just soaked it. And after 3 to 5 minutes, it will soften just like this in this video. Then you will now sieve it, as you can see. Please, it shouldn't stay more than 2 to 3 or 3 to 5 minutes. So after I was done sieving it, the next one is to prepare my coconut milk. So this is the coconut I want to use. I had to transfer it to my Bushimi's blender, added little water. And this is me now blending it so I can be able to sieve out the milk that I will be using to prepare this delicious meal. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And thanks for watching my videos. So this is the milk that I will be using to prepare this delicious meal. So the next step is for me to set my frying pan on fire. So I just added olive oil. Then added my onion, garlic, then saute for a few minutes, followed by chopped pepper, red pepper. Like I said, you can add as many quantity of pepper that you want when making yours. So I had to stir fry for a few minutes. Added curry and thyme, then stir fry for a few minutes. Then followed by, I started with hard vegetables, so I added carrots, as you can see in this video. Then stir fry for a few minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And thanks for watching my videos. So after that, I now added my bell peppers, my red, green, and yellow bell peppers. Then after I added it, I had to mix them together. Then I had to keep turning it for like 2 minutes so it can cook a bit. So the next one, I added salt to taste. If the quantity is not enough, you can, add more, depending on the quantity of Singaporean noodles that you are making. So always check salt to taste. So I just added salt to taste, then followed by light soy sauce, as you can see in this video. Then gave it a good mix for a few minutes. So this one is oyster soy sauce. Sorry, I forgot to capture the bottle very well. So this is oyster soy sauce. That's what I just added. Oyster soy sauce. So followed by garlic. So this is garlic powder. That is what I just added. Then give it a good mix for a few minutes. So now I'm about to add my rice sticks, as you can see, the noodles, rice stick noodles. Then I had to give it a good mix. As you can see, mix it very well. So I had to give it a good mix, as you can see in this video. To turn this thing no easy. If you are finding it difficult to mix it, you can probably cut your rice stick, your noodles, into smaller sizes. Okay? So the next step, I added my fried chicken and prawns, as you can see, and also gave it a good mix while the pan is on fire. So after I was done mixing it, I now added my scrambled eggs, as you can see in this video. Then gave it a good mix. You have to turn it very well, mix it very well, okay? Then because I wanted it to be creamy, I now added my coconut milk, followed by sesame oil, as you can see in this video. Then gave it a good mix. It was so creamy, so tasty, so yummy. So here I have mine. So this is mine. Previous one was my kids' own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section, okay?